In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Calendly meeting reminders. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring clarity at each stage. Let's dive in and make your scheduling system more efficient. To begin, open up your web browser and log into calendly.com. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Calendly homepage. Our ultimate goal here is to access the functionality that will allow us to automate reminders. To do this, look for the Workflows section. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it to get started. Within the Workflows section, our next task is to create a new workflow. It's important to mention that this feature is only available if you're on a paid plan. Because we're using a training account for this demonstration, we may not be able to activate it fully. Nonetheless, I'll guide you through the necessary instructions so you're well prepared when you have full access. The workflow feature is a fantastic tool as it enables us to set up actions that trigger automatically in relation to our scheduled events. Once you've initiated the creation of a new workflow, opt for Email Reminder to Invitee as the workflow option. This is a preset template that really streamlines the task by offering a solid foundation that we can customize to meet our needs. At this point, take a brief moment to give your workflow a descriptive name. This is a practical step that ensures you can easily identify it in the future if you need to review or edit it. Next, select the event type to which you want the workflow to apply and click Apply. This step is crucial as it links the automation to the correct type of meeting. The next move involves defining the timing for the reminder. Click on Edit under the When This Happens section. Here, you'll want to enter the options that best suit your scheduling needs, particularly focusing on when the reminder should be sent before the event. Choose the timing that aligns with your preference, and once you're satisfied, click Done. With the timing set, navigate to Do This and click Edit. This allows you to modify the specifics of your email reminder, providing an opportunity to truly personalize it. Enter the recipient's email address, choose a reminder template, and tweak the subject line and body text of the email. This customization ensures your message conveys the right tone and the necessary information for your meetings. Once you're content with the setup, ensure you go through and tick any relevant checkboxes to finalize these settings. Confirm your edits by clicking Done. If you want to integrate any additional actions into this workflow, click on Add Action. After all desired actions are implemented, click Save to confirm everything is properly configured. By the conclusion of this process, you will have established an efficient, automated system for sending out meeting reminders via Calendly. This setup not only saves you valuable time, but also ensures that your attendees receive timely reminders, aligning perfectly with your scheduling demands.